Tangina mo.
Ben.
Malaki mo.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Gago pala ako si GM!
So weird.
Shit. Lo.
Wala.
Lo. Ang galing nito. Ano, kick out ko na to? Green, what's your problem, Green? Are you okay, Green? Green, Green. Nice shot.
Bro,
Grabe naman itong mga NA na to. Okay daw, oh. Ikaw na naman yung hacker ngayon, Andrew. Bobo na ito eh.
paano napatay mo?
Nasa yung ba? No, Andrew! Ah! Space up! Ito! Ito! Andrew!
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Nag-split si Andrew. Nice try, nice try.
Look at this dude.
Bamba.
Solid! Ka! Ayoko na sa'yo. Sige, dito ka sa taas. Dahil dyan sa ginawa mo. Taas ka, please. Gago, bilisan mo. Putang ina. Zay! Tara, sagurin na nga natin to.
It's done. Go, 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 go.
Naisip na lang yan. Ay.
Ay, wala. Swerte yung ano ko mo.
What is that? What the fuck is that?
What you're seeing is advanced warfare.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Putang ina na yun! What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck, bro? Kaka... Yan ang
Pwede ba
nakakahiya.
yun? Nag-delete.
I should fuck her in the Benz.